What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Wow, it's been a long time since I sat in this chair making a video like this. So, yeah, it feels pretty good actually sitting back in this chair making another tutorial video. Yes, you heard me right. Today I'm here making another tutorial video. I know I fell off for a little bit before, but I've been vlogging and, I've been starting a business like I've said, a million times in the past before. I don't know if you've ever been here before, but if you have, then you know. But that's not what we're doing today. Today we're because if you want to go, check out all those videos, the vlogs are up. You can go check them out right now. But today I wanted to do a video for somebody in the comments. That's right. If you have a special request or you want me to do something that I haven't done or help you with something that I don't have a video on, just type it in the comments and ask real nice. Say, hey, please, can you help me with this? Can you help me with blah, blah, blah? Yeah, I might make a video about it. So today I'm making a video about Videoleap, but it's not exactly about Videoleap. It's how to get curved text. As you may know, in Videoleap, when you try to use text and it says to transform, I think is what the option is in there. It doesn't even do anything. It just flips it left and right or up or reverses it, whatever. And that's pretty cool, but it's not everything we want to do. So I'm going to teach you today how to do curved text in Videoleap. All right, guys. So let's open up Videoleap here, and as you can see, I am trying to make just a reel for Instagram. It's kind of dark. I didn't end up using this video. I recorded it again with a little bit brighter light, and then I put it into Premiere Pro because it has a little bit more options as far as like bringing the shadows and the lights back out without messing up the image quality. So here I am in this here, and like I said before, when you try to do a text, whatever you want. That's where we're putting in the text, and the only options here, there's a bunch of cool options. You can do a mask, you can do stroke, shadow, whatever. You can even do the spacing. I really like the spacing option on here. Not that one, sorry. This one here, you can open it up, blah, blah, blah. Oh, that's really cool. You can't really do anything else. Let's see, the transform option, it just flips it, or it makes it go upside down, which is pretty cool. Because you can mess with that if you needed to, and that's in there, so you don't really have to go out of app for that. But to do a curved text, you kind of have to go out of app. You got to be a little creative sometimes. Got to think outside of the box when you want to make something that if you can't do it in Videoleap, maybe go and try to find another app that might be able to do that. Like a lot of times I'll actually use Videoleap and Premiere Pro to edit my videos, because in Premiere Pro it's a lot harder to do like glitches and stuff, and then the glitch transition in here is pretty cool, so I use that a lot in like the background of things. So I'll like export it from Premiere Pro and put it into Videoleap, use the glitch a little bit, and then I'll put it back into Premiere Pro and edit it again. And I know that's not going to give me like the best quality in the world, I understand that, but I'm doing them for like Instagram Reels and stuff like that, so it doesn't really have to be the best of the best. It comes out looking really good in my opinion. So yeah, so you got to just think outside of the box. So we're gonna open up an app called Canva, and it is free to do this in Canva. I don't have to like log in or anything. Oh, look, as you can see, I already did it, but let's delete that. Okay, cool. So we'll pretend we just like opened up Canva for the first time ever, and it's gonna just be like this. You can do whatever shape you want here. As you can see, Instagram post, your story, they have logo design. It's actually a really cool app to make things that you can then export and put into Videoleap over your videos. So we'll just put Instagram post because it's gonna make it square. Go to blank, and then you're gonna want to go down to the bottom and go to text, and then you can pick add a headline, add a subheading, add a body, and you could dig more into that if you want to. We're just gonna click the middle one here, add a subline, and then we're gonna edit that and put whatever you want to put, just so it's a little long. Okay, press done, and then you're gonna go down to the bottom again and go to effects. And I actually figured this out really quickly when the person asked me in the comments how to do that. I just went into Videoleap to see if I could do it. I couldn't do it. Then I went into Photo Fox and I tried to do it with the warp. And you can do it a little bit, but then it warps the words all funny. It doesn't just curve it like this. How smoothly this is. Look how smooth this is. Okay, go to curve, and then if you double click it, it'll have this little thing here where you can make it really tight or open it up like that. Say you want it to go all the way around, you just press that, and then you can resize that. And that way it's like perfectly around. So you're done with that, and you can even, if you really want to, you can put like shapes in there and a bunch of other cool things, but we're just doing a curved text because that's all he asked for. So we're curving the text whatever you want, and then we're just gonna go here and save as. There's these transparent backgrounds and all this other stuff. That's for if you pay for the app. If you don't want to pay for the app, you just want a regular white background or black background, you just press download, and then it'll come out like that. And you go back to Videoleap, and you go to Mixer, and there it is down at the bottom. I guess I did it twice on accident. It's black print, so if I was to like go to screen here and or whatever, it's not going to show. I mean, you can kind of see it there a little bit, but looks like I might have messed up. Nope, I'm not used to being by the mic anymore, so I'm hitting it, and I think it's falling down a little bit too. Let me fix that. Okay, so no, I did not mess up. Well, I mean, I did mess up, but you got to think outside the box. So what can I do to fix this without going and redoing the whole thing and making the black background with white text? I can just go to filters and my cat's getting into something, and then do the negative so that it's a black background with white text, and then go to blending, and it's already on screen, so it's probably already, yep, transparent background, and that's another, you know, here, let's make it cool. Fade in here. Yeah, my cat's just running around like a crazy cat. And then that's how you know, think outside the box, so you don't have to go back and do it again. You know, it's just little things like that that'll help, you know, just make your videos a lot cooler, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, so let's go ahead and play this. And then boom, curved text in your video in Videoleap, just by, you know, simply thinking outside of the box and using another app to make the curved text and then putting it back into Videoleap. You know, just don't limit yourself just to Videoleap, because it is one of the best mobile apps for editing. You know, sometimes you got to use the other apps that it makes, or even competitors' apps, to like get the exact video you want, especially if you're just using it on your phone. If you were to upgrade to something like Premiere Pro and really take your time and learn all the stuff, it'd be a lot easier, because you do a lot of stuff in Premiere Pro that you cannot do in Videoleap, and that's why I use both. Just because I'm still used to Videoleap way more than Premiere Pro, but I use it also because I'm on the go a lot too. So anyways, my computer's about to die and I don't want to have to run around to look to plug it in, but I hope this video helped you. And like I said before, if any of you guys need any help with anything else in Videoleap or something like that, just go ahead and leave it in the comments below, and I might make a video about it. So don't forget to subscribe if you like tutorial videos and vlog videos and videos about van life, and you know, whenever I want to make videos about. If you like cool videos, then subscribe to this channel. We'll see you guys next time. Peace out.